5 ways to enhance your toolbox. For both of you to feel more rewarded, more engaged, and to have more fun, book Game On. For learners who discover their own solutions, book Scaling. Map it out with them so that they build their own mental sat-nav. That's mind mapping. Do you want to explore in 3 dimensions? Buy a car and diagram set. Be the instructor who can give them the facts, the physics, and the action points to beat those statistics. Be the one who goes beyond the test. More tools for your bulging toolbox. Look at FionaDrive.com. I'd love to see you.